Hey podcasters, this is Keith from Podpal. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to view and manage your Podpal subscription. Throughout the video, I'll be covering how to manage your current plan and limits, upgrade your plan, change your payment method, and view your Podpal invoices. Okay, let's get started. Once you're signed into Podpal, you can access your subscription from anywhere in the app by going to the top navigation and clicking your profile picture. Then click Subscription and Billing. The plan usage page displays your current plan type and billing frequency, the number of podcasts being used, and the limit of podcasts you can add to your account under your current plan. For each podcast started on your account, you'll see a card below that shows the podcast title, owner, and media format, as well as the usage and limits for published episodes, team members, and cloud storage. The status column lets you know if you're getting close to or have reached your limits. Remember, you can plan unlimited episodes for free in Podpal, and only published episodes will be counted towards your episodes limit. On the Offers and Upgrades tab, you can view all the plans offered by Podpal in detail, and switch between monthly and yearly pricing. As your podcast grows, you can upgrade at any time. Visit the Payment Method tab if you need to change your form of payment, and the Invoices tab to view your billing history. Okay, that's all. Make sure to check out our other video tutorials so you can become a Podpal expert.